Alma. So, I got you something. You want to see what it is? You want to see what it is? Just guess what it is. What do you think it is?
Guess what it is.
What do you think it is? Guess what it is?
Guess what it is.
Guess what it is?
You freaking me out here.
What?
You freaking me out here.
How am I freaking you out? It could be a snake. Could be a turtle.
They put
It
the
could
beans
be-
to bake already.
What is it?
I can't find you.
Just
You show her?
show her. Just bust it out, man.
Ba-dam!
Look what it is. Look what it is.
Look.
Like open it up, Luis. Open this up. See what?
Guess what it is. Guess what it is. Guess what it is.
Here's your number 40. You have your own jersey. You have your own jersey. And none other than Coleman himself. Huh?
Coleman. You have the beanie to match it now.
You have a jersey, my friend. So gonna wear it during the season, huh?
Yes.
I'm gonna wear my cowboy one.
Look at that.
Oh
Oh my god.
You have a jersey.
I put the
I just
beans.
love her reaction. It's so funny.
Mom's talking to me.
I got 100 reasons.
Your own jersey. Just scream if you want to scream. Just scream louder.
She was killed.